In this video, we'll continue with a review of past CSEC math papers. So we look at the following question. This is part B of the first question that came in the 2017 paper. And you're given the following facts. A store is promoting a new mobile phone under two plans, Plan A and Plan B. Plan A and Plan B as shown there and there. The plans are advertised as shown in the table. Deposit. You have to deposit $400 if you choose Plan A, or if you choose Plan B, you deposit $600 a month. Pay a monthly installment for Plan A, $65 a month. Plan B is $80 a month. Number of months to repay, you have 12 on the Plan A and 6 months on the Plan B. Tax on all payments. For Plan A, you have 0 tax, but for Plan B, you have 5% tax. And you're asked to calculate the total cost of a phone under Plan A. Now you can pause the video, take out your notebook, and work out the problem. Great. Now this question, designed by CSEC examiners, tests your knowledge of consumer arithmetic. You know, when you go shopping, you have to know the price of the different items and so on. Well, this will help you to calculate the costs of a phone. Many of you want a smartphone, so here it is. So to calculate tax on all payments, 0. So there's no tax on Plan A. So what we have to do is calculate the total payment. So we'll set it down. Let's move this more. Let me unlock this a bit and move it to the right. Okay, so we're going to do calculations on the left here. So the deposit is $400. $400 there. Dollar sign there. $400. So you have to deposit that. Then you have to make a monthly installment of $64, and you have to do it 12 times. So let's represent that as $65, and you have to do it twice, 12 times. So you multiply by 12. Now you got to use a calculator. So 65 multiplied by 12 is equal to what? $780. $780. Can you see it there? $780. So this works. So that's equal to $780. So you have to 780, not 88. So what you have to do now, you have to add this number, 400 and $780, and you get your answer. Since you don't have to pay any tax on Plan A, it will be $780 plus $400. That would work out to $1,180. And that's your answer.